Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Cash App need verification. For example, if you have created account on Cash App and you have simply installed the Cash App, and after that you are having a problem of Cash App need verification. So first of all, we will discuss what is the Cash App verification. So when you install an app which is related to cash transaction, so what you have to do, you have to simply provide your identity so that they can verify you. So if you are having the problem of verification identity, then this is the procedure where you can simply verify your identity. So what we have to do, you have to simply open a browser, and here you have to simply open a new tab, and here you have to simply search for Cash App Support, and after that you have to simply go for Cash App Support, and here you have to check what is the problem related to your verification. And here you can ask the Cash App Support that why you need to you to provide your identity. So here you have to simply search for Cash App need verification, and here you can simply need verification you have to search for. And after that there is option available that if you attempt to cash out, send or receive a mini payment using Cash App, you will be prompted to verify your account with your full name, date of birth and address for your security purpose. Moreover, you must be 18 plus to use the Cash App, which means you have to simply verify your account if you want any transaction through your Cash App application, and otherwise no transaction will be directed from your Cash App without verification. So basically it is a procedure for the Cash App simply to verify your identity. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.